right, ye. Democracy can. Also, bombing 12 minutes drive house movie. It's an ye. As I hate it, and I am from Abando. And I National Commission for Civic Education, NCCE in Painful, na yesa kan ofia, Baba Martin Egun komo, Adutun komo, na afie to me yakwan nim. Ghana, aya constitution no, nsem pi no wom, nsem pi no wom. Nanda, ye ba bo hwe aya constitution ka, equal chapter 1 you are also the constitution, and then we will order the supremacy of the constitution, the enforcement of the constitution, the defense of the constitution. Hey, ade enti ni na no oho maye tumina ebakwa yenayim. Chapter 2 no so no do ho, the master chapter 4 no so do ho one no so ebutumina yakwa yenayim. Ni na bomi na so emre no sa na baba mazen efie tumi yakwa yenayim. Apa mo acho dima hinwa.
Ya hinwa.
Apo mi yade.
Ya me na dum.
Ya na ya wona you trying to make would you like to
we din Fred MAC-OCLOO.
Hey, I Fred. As
we din Kwabena.
Oh, okay. Ntia Catholic in bia.
You me Catholic.
Christ as we can
council.
Right, it has it. Achaba wa say.
Nyame adom ye hu ye.
Bibi abokode.
Adom nti ye tanse.
Ejuma mu say.
Nyame adom bibi record kaka.
Yo, what's up about say?
Aso ko Anglican aso.
Anglican. I know chere e yakure je papa mbi akunu fi. All right. It's about you come after oya Ghana oya constitution sir yehwe oya chapter 1 Fred about no
chapter 1 yo anopei yebe ma etiefo ni na yema wona achi anopei so se wasugu yesu ana obo ade nyankopon na ebu ekwan man anopei so yegusu etinkwam NCCE na ni medjuma NCCE ye kwa pro ye kire omanfon de so mu hu bia ankanka de owo ye mbrakunin book in 1992 constitution. It is the 1992 constitution the chapter the constitution of Ghana. See, I can't constitution so no part saying. No part say in a friend saying impenyufo akekabom obwa yedibu omano. It is a constitution na si trying.
Right, Achaba say constitution dem o wa cheche mi a ye ka supremacy a abedinta wa to the supremacy.
Yo, ye da se. Ye kodo ye ma etefu achi. Ye ze hia adwumoko echi kakra wo hen abokosam na ye huni de. Mbrakunyim constitution a ye ze ye adwuma no. Ye fa fi akwan bebrem ansa na nde orbebodu bebi a odru no. Na nkano no na amembu no oye aha na hakakra na emom yaji kebi mamike bi amambu no yedi tum oya za abonyi friend ko democracy no nansa nencha ase kakra anye de kebi mamike bi amembu ofante kesem enti se kebi mamike bi amambu za na o kire de embra na yezi yedwuma no ne titu anade ne tuma owomu no ogina iyen amamfu no yenisem enti opinion say yekede supremacy of the constitution and now supremacy of the law na ye kire de embra ni tum titu no okita iyen Ghana amanfu no yenisem.
Right, Fred, yemhwe we say enforcement of the constitution. Why enforcement?
You see yehwe omani a you kopium even chapel mpo asase no be say chapel.
Yeah.
You copy chapel na ekobia so se ekobia be gina isikasem na ekobia so me sure say chapel no ekobia wo account or bank anse na oba bi account na your constitution. In our constitution krana so mo be keka bom ne yembra kunini kire say ense say ni yembra kunini ebogura just a friend saying say ni munsem ne ene na eden efa pepepe do a kasafa society krana wo chapel no inti yemfa say ebia na empenyifo mo social constitution no sabi ebinumu di boapaye adwembo ne bi asise nyema bi our constitution ma ending yen mrakunyin constitution ene emfa no constitution eden engintum Into obi betumi asɔre na wakɔkɔ yi event mpanyifo asotere ana ɔyɛ den wahwɛ no waka ho asɛm na ɔde asɛm na akɔ Supreme Court na saa nsɛm na fence ɔmo de bɛdan no wɔn wahwɛ na waka ho asɛm ti fence deɛ ɔmo bɛ nhyehyɛ bia Supreme Court bɛ to god bia ɛsɛ sɛ wodi so na wɔndi so a nipa koro a asɛm no ɛfa no wɔndi so a na ɛno no deɛ ɔhɔ bia no Supreme Court bɛ den ne obedi nti dɛm na asɛm na ɔte.
Atabe, defense of the Constitution. Why defense of the Constitution?
Yo, me da say. Answer na moko defense ni kampede musica cracker me be dey nezo enforcement no. Mountain there say embrebi obi ahye no. Onye constitution bo ebra. Ono constitution no onjintu. Ibi omo so say constitution e kira won chapter 1 there. Say impo the masem no we akweke free Supreme Court da ma me bra dey kan no. Na Supreme Court ahye ho mbra oyedo obia zidama mbra no do se enzi dama mbra no do a ono Supreme Court mbra ohon de ebedem infidu 10 years se eye president anade eye vice a ono constitution is immediately nala oyede ye ufie godo na ibiom no nso ono na ye friend high crime enti high crime no ono ye adisobe court no order wazama wo embrebi a washe ofi Supreme Court na obi enzido no onu kokesi high crime na ye wo treason say ye ka treason na onye de obi anade ikumbe bi asor de nda na ochina wo pede wotu embra kunyim constitution wotubu oye overthrow of the constitution na damano ono embrace oye high treason na high treason no ho nhyehyɛ ana no ho punishment a ye wo mani mu oye penalty by death nti obi biara a ono obosor de murutu constitution a oye embra kunyim 1992 constitution ma to egu no embra ni ni zi de ebekwa koye death penalty ebe face death penalty na say be defense of the constitution a embra constitution ye use in over 30 years Ghana fu ya yaze osande ye hwe na abokosama ibi ba ya 3 years wenjina ibi ba ya 6 years wenjina ni na so ze or how ozebre oman Ghana abi biara ye botu constitution egu anaza broyin be friend overthrow no bibia sa na chi wo man no chede amembu na ye rubu no wa yeden wa sei ne da minti bibia ejume bia bewie school furu nko school na ochede powers ni we bezi military funu won nsem na za wo pe no na wo be den wo ze be ye hen enti constitution ni o shehen won chapter 1 mu o san so shehen won article 41 mu de ye Ghana nyinkutenze e bobo mmazen de abibiara e bobo constitution ni no ho ban na se eye Ghana nyi ana eyomen ewomanim na eti de mpo nipa kor ana ebien ana group bi wo baby na worka de wo pede go to constitution ni wo to gba embrama ho kwane de ebe ko report da mkrofon na ezwana ama ma wonyi na ezi ebi omo nso constitution ni kire ye ne de impo se ye Ghana nyi na April ana de eku ezima constitution in the defense of the constitution there erempenuma obi biara into constitution into ngwa na se wo April no mu no police fu won so mu there ebia na eka ho ma worutu aban constitution egwa ana mbra kunyim egwa mbra na ma ho kwane de awo na ereboa ma constitution ejina na mpede wotu bu no court won ho kwane de wo ye hyehyɛ mo na punishment bi a was mo won ebia na waso wo chiwutu bi punishment bi a was mo no wo bo mozen na bibia ehwewe wa bra ekaka dam ekwano ka punishment no ebi pa na wo chiwutu prison was o ka ho embra na ma wo kwane de Supreme Court be hye ma wo na e defend the constitution no wa boa ma bibia ehwewo da ma bri no mu no was amo nempo Ghana was and I want more compensation from the Consolidated Fund of Ghana.
Damina, I am requiring to Baby, Neko Fred, yes, inside yet inquire the supremacy of the Constitution, name Wim. Now, what's the sovereignty of one? Yes, young name.
Okay. I see the sovereignty of Ghana resides in the people of Ghana, in whose name and for whose welfare the powers of government are to be exercised in the manner and within the limits laid down in this constitution. Omani internet to aban.
Right.
Because sabi will be into me fi baby akeke. Emba be di oman mboso.
Yeah.
Yen nyina ya ja tum fi yen fence yen panyifo so Kwame Nkrumah time na that be see and dey ya ja tum so constitution ni ye de be ye adwuma fourth republican constitution ye de be adwuma yi. No party say obi ni ho betumi aden aba overthrow. To say the yes sister can overthrow it means a high treason. You know, fence saying
I'm not for official.
Eti omano ayaminu mieni ede.
Right.
Ye beto aba enti ne yeto aba.
Right.
Yeto aba yi omampanyin. Obi be bisa say njiko yeto aba yi omampanyin because omani minu mieni aje atumu through the constitution say ye bebu omani through democracy. I say ye bia with one mind. Enti ne free bibi kebi mamin kebi. It is a okay be no so make bia. I say ya dwen den, adwen ye kro. And say wa dwen wo afa na so ma dwen wo afa. Though sometimes we argue na differences but percentage wise no bon say ye nyina ya dwen akọ bankum. Enti na ye to aba ye say 50 plus 1. 50 plus 1. Say obinya 50 plus 1 it means we are good with that because about democracy no matter how you squeeze it, how hard you squeeze it, the tiabia obi ebeko benkum obi so ayi akọ nifa. Nti dem na asem na order ot.
Number 2.
Number 2.
This constitution.
Okay. This constitution shall be the supreme law of Ghana, and any other law found to be inconsistent with any provision of this constitution shall be, to the extent of their inconsistency, be void. It is a suprema. It means our to me will be biaso. Now, ye ka constitution who has them. It means constitution over to me will embre biaso. Embre bia offense or before what year constitution then over to me also. Ye share central region ha your House of Chiefs me boa.
Yeah.
Penny hini or da no over to me wo ahemfoni na so. Dem na then ote president or da no over to me offense obiaso though or some few limitations because of governance, because of what? Democracy. Dem na nintrase kakra then ote.
Right, Constant TV Community Connect and was so good. Now in you are TANTRI AYIKOO-AYIKOO electoral area. I want you to me now in Saka National Commission for Civic Education. But you for I want you say to my account na for you to me na in home to show I am common. Now nazi yes sure Ghana and Brano oya constitution. The autumaka na yetisimi kakanka nti yeki oya the supremacy of the constitution. Ye for Anna my friend autumn can bibiara autumn. And they say nothing kind of oil was in then into us oil was done. That shows there in the Friday to my church me. It will help us never to na yako name. Yako achaba honi akoshe the enforcement of the constitution. In the what's our parado in Coco. Na lecha do sa na so chene kakanka. Nti obia ne sara kanezi. Nti yako achaba na yakoshe oil enforcement no. It was 2+1 A B C count. Yeah, have 2. Hey, I know the doors. Yeah, got 3. Yeah, got 3. Oh, I have an assignment on the doors. Now, so what are you here? Yeah, so I have a ben or head defense. That's about yen share the enforcement. No, you don't cook. And I'm just person, bro. You don't cook. If you into me, I mean, to me, I just young
Medasi. Enforcement, Article 2+1.
Right.
Also, a person who alleges that an enactment or anything contained in or done under the authority of that or any other enactment or any act or omission of any person is inconsistent with or is in contravention of a provision of this Constitution may bring an action in the Supreme Court for a declaration to that effect. Nteni chase kakran there. Obi biara osi a person. Nti Ghana ni bi biara obi biara osha embre bi owo ho na the membra no ide there owo constitution mu. Anaso there ofi ncheni bi. Anaso there odwene there bibi ayo wo constitution mu no. Dam entase no obenya efi Supreme Court ho. Enti bibi biara entase wo constitution mu. Ana imbre a isha entase no dam entase Supreme Court enkoten na wo chiase. Ehun de Ghana ye wo court ahuru bebre. Ye wo Supreme Court, ye wo High Court, ye wo Court of Appeal, ye wo Circuit Court, Magistrate Court anon keka ho. Enti se enti imbre bi ase another isha embebi ayo or constitution ma I will feel there in che or there oko constitution mu and also there in che sibi wo mbrenu ma epia into mumfan kadan Court of Appeal into mumfan kadan High Court na mum embranen chase an there is bokwanfa Supreme Court of Ghana ebi omonso osi abra ezidama semi is akadan Supreme Court no the Supreme Court yehwe clause 2 now, also the Supreme Court shall, for the purposes of a declaration, under clause 1 of this article, make such orders and give such directions as it may consider appropriate for giving effect or enabling effect to be given to this declaration. Into Supreme Court, we continue no to the Obama another be in a yabaya for the membre. Yako yenenima. Or see any person or group of persons to whom an order or direction is addressed under clause 2 of this article by the Supreme Court shall duly obey and carry out the terms of the order or direction. That means the order biara Supreme Court and Ozebamano say ankro another year group no in Brekunim Constitution also there or there is the membrano do. Yakoza oziduna osi failure to obey this order or direction given under that clause constitutes a high crime. On the missing can no one high crime on na equal enyima nehu embrano ocean osi ne punishment near 10 years imprisonment. It is the Supreme Court no ma order bi oma Iyan amanfo na nase obi enzi da membrana da in Brekunim Constitution ose yanchini ntum ana yefa no kofiaze for infidu 10 years. Na oye president and na the vice president na wenzi dam ode da Constitution say there oneze oye de ye yinifi na egodo.
Nti yehwe oye
I deter people from carrying out such offense acts.
All right.
In defense of the Constitution, 3.1, clause 3.1. Parliament shall have no power to enact a law establishing a one-party state. And in Tiasiwo, so make us say, or many and one-party state. 2 minutes for your in chance and 2 minutes baby abani edi man. Just a man for night. I dare to and I say a vote through referendum. 2. Any activity of a person or group of persons which suppress or seeks to suppress the lawful political activity of any person or any class of persons or persons generally is unlawful.
I want to press a person for Bible and I just some more.
Yes, very important. Here say constitutional or church no specifying.
Okay.
Now ya sometimes everyone ma can come up and what say.
Okay.
But when you can report to Kasamuntina, your church kakra of phantom. Inti sano obi enu ho a obetumi agiu sa 2 minutes to say party a opɛ bi obetumi adom obi aso ntumi nka say party offense yempa biomti ya bogu debi eno no so mo certify electoral commission ni conditions are they are good to go obi no betumi akahwe afa ho only the constitution and I say Supreme Court no betumi ama such orders to say yes sister Okano earlier on. Any person who by himself or in concert with others by any violent or other unlawful means suspends or overthrows or abrogates this constitution or any part of it or attempts to do any such act or b aids and abets in any manner any person referred to in paragraph A of this clause commits the offense of high treason and shall upon conviction so a graduation from high crime to high treason into back 10 years but when you death it means the oye no enyekra I said wokum nipa say utumi etna sedakro now we are watching so ubo overthrow constitution that means it say we are ready for death. It's because to say the sister can assassin we have come a long way. You were 4th Republican Constitution. You were 1, 2, 3. You didn't see 1, 2, 3 no. Now say nyamina dum at least 4 no. Ejina kakra ni na you see yam boy hoban. Ni yam protect and preserve the constitution as a wo that will be who person coming into overthrow constitution na. You na the overthrow the head and sometimes through bloodshed you come kofuna that they you president lady ninke ka ho the woman na say yetewa is by death. It's mama yen na yen shanun so enye tra sa yen shanun so. 4. All citizens of Ghana shall have the right and duty at all times A. to defend this constitution and in particular to resist any person or group of persons seeking to commit any of the acts referred to in clause 3 of this article. It's a no you continue on. It's yenina ya said your offense that responsibility. Sebeden you because abo yen brakunyi no ban efi overthrow ni de keka ho a abema o man no ma den emu acheche na sabi nyame pengu e de ekon aba and de ekon ba ye bekwa he de man yi mutimpo no ye ho ntwan de man yi mutimpo e den ye ho ntwan 3 of this article and to do all in their power to restore this constitution after it has been suspended, overthrown, or abrogated as referred to in clause 3 of this constitution, which or continual. Say Osha and Kran, Osha Eden, say then, young Koswa Bokoban. Na say Bibi Sampo Simpoa. Eden, young boy, na inside and Yenji Yame in Siho. Them not as someone order or 5. Any person or group of persons who suppresses or resists the suspension, overthrow or abrogation of this constitution as referred to in clause 3 of this article commits no offense. Inka me bua me man yasanji me man atoho and I say me jina na me jina omo person omo say o mine omo overthrow constitution me jina ma ko adi me man na offense yes ma cause crime and I is an offenser so no yo and say no obi no obey the obekwa mani man but constitution say crime say so yes sir na say so cause offense is no offense. It means unya boni bia entia or man and as a constitution. 6 where a person referred to in clause 5 of this article is punished for any act done under that article, the punishment shall on the restoration of this constitution be taken to be void from the time it was imposed and he shall from that time be taken to be absolved from all liabilities arising out of the what? The punishment. Inti to say they can any offense inti. Ebanisa the omodia tools to be and say no de fiasio o ma ya oden oni na where you feel so. 7. The Supreme Court shall, on application by or on behalf of a person who has suffered any punishment or loss to which clause 6 of this article relates, award him adequate compensation, which shall be charged on the consolidated fund in respect of any suffering or loss incurred as a result of his punishment. In fact, consolidated fund or any pan goes by this time goes to papa. Because the bring but them na in said in the it means do wanna fence the wakumbia yobia wakumbia no after Supreme Court aka ama omayini na efi usu no what more protocol dey compensation you nim say the work and wo fantimu omo bi kakra na ma wo yawo na wo fam ni na dem friend say efi usu na waso wotumi akoso aye oman papa etumi de gina ho ama ye meyi nti kakra e wo ho.
Right, kakra ho ana aye Fred so tuma chechem yeko oye parliament na okasa no okada okay nti yeko achiraba yehwa parliament awona yetumi ato abama ho wo constitution do tuma oka fo ho no suna bana wotumu de naji no say the constitution to a odi baby woto aba wo yen ka atai odi baby wa abobi ni min odi baby wa ya jibi oho constitution no onka bibia fo no de musuna bana wotumu de naji obebra nti won yo famra kwando anara no so constitution na aya wonku kakra
yo me da say Ghana ye won brebebre a yezi ye adwuma na oya ye ode ye mpanyimfu no mu ma wo hyembran na wonyim mbran nwomum na oya woyi subani bi a onse non fata okwan bi do dem bra NCCE ye kwa pro na ye chairman de oya bone kese wo mani mu de nka ballot paper eba madumpo na aye ne dam no na ye hu wo ye ni mpanyimfu da wo ye yezi ye obebre wo hu na constitution no mo chenyin de obi biara da oye MPO oye omanpanyino oye wano oye anu abulo ombor mbran kunyim constitution no do na mbom asam kra owo he na MPs no wo hunye de abra MP no ote ana owo abanum a oye na adwuma no mbra no ma ho kwane de ebochin akokot eyin ekezi na mbom wezi ne court ne session na ewie no mbra ma no ho kwane de honorable ewo abanum no 1 2 3 4 na enyen timemfu ana anyen amanfo no yehuni de eye ne deminti yeretwon akọ asemzi bia ma wezu asam ewa no constitution no oma ho kwane de opanyin biara oye damazo no yebotum ya atwe na aso na embom na ote parliament na dam azono kodo no ono broinsi or liability bi kakra bi na dam liability no so yes open baby enti mbra no ma ho kwan da ma mizin kan kan no abribi wo ho a ebotum wes ni dwumeze ewe no ebotum atwe dam asam na asana aba de honorable so and so dam crime na o committee enti dam abri ye twen na yes na ekejina asemzi bia ma wezina asam na asebebre
right je kijina asemzi bia ma wezina asam a na no chede mbreku imi zo tun ka fa oye mbeshebekofun no so papa no tun odoso na Fred yen hwa zere abedin tem mbeshebekofun sa BBC na boko no yu a wala wo ye ba election mbran okada for na ye ba election na mum na yankenkena for but all these things bi no wa say na pro to bisa e ye ba le mum assembly members da ano ba election ana ano on count for assembly members
by elections yen na nim say to by elections bia na nipa wu and I say bia personally I step down na fan saying ke bi ma me ke bia yi anope ye koye discuss ye ni this Philip girls you know koye discussion kakra about the functions of the district assembly.
Right.
Now district assembly there and also in few work they buy starting from national they buy down. Now obi maybe saying to cry about district assembly. District assembly because of what? Development. Because aban national to me president any na pamful ministers want to me back down to the minimum level amba be important fence improve to na that then can home school 7 can home intina we obi esu said then one in the person of what chief executive any na pamful inti sano se sanetia se asimeti ni ho a ehu hia se be den ye be sa to so aba because oka a friend say decentralization ho without MP no within that concept no decentralization enye complete instead of church move national the buy without MP in that picture no decentralization then enye complete because chief executive na pamfo o to then on to me here o here friend say impenifu bi to say MPs within the district to help with what development though MPs won't directly won't development but what aid in what development what buama development or but sometimes now going to be our O2 the young group your baby obey to me then any naka na wabua na offense wabe investing within the what the district and also within the offense the catchment area or MP or it's very very important say you better buy elections because without MPs no offense decentralization no a bit to sink kakra because they help development though omo key responsibility ye na him say oboboa ne ahye mbra or offense parliament but what aid in what development though not directly but what do we see because of politics in team you have to name a piegu call round prompt now education on the responsibilities and duties of our MPs are what you when we our cultural say MP will ABC the one didn't say they want to me the whole can matter now so find you do about to also they will expect any more expectations the populace any more expectations because of the era decentralization because decentralization onto them and so some politics obey why should send fine system be as all sure why should send so beautifully but you have to need okay assembly concept in Angaza a bit technical Osha a bit technical more technocrat no more no munim far more than what friends of what we do. I don't know why no 1 year by elections but probably review or me sure say they've taken notice of it now made it or mobile work on it now me sure say a recommendation or president so hopefully there'll be changes.
Important fact kanka me brother this one and the constituency bia or Ghana bia na representative on MP enti say constituency bi na say ka fa dem me brother kan MP no ewu another wa resigner embra no ye ntumi enja nto wode dem constituency no mu wonya obi a osimo na name wo parliament oye there by all means dem constituency wonya one impa oginem wo parliament ozima one enti na embra no oma ho kwan de yenye won by elections no
ati dem na assemblity na mom Fred Church assembly but yenwe dem adafofre be say ye we talk about it the fashion MMDC for the automaka for aya hu meza wutumozi na pinyo kaka ho embe na nka be na obache nemo inde za yetumi abaka ho asemi ya bisa ide ya baye den na doma ye ganafo ye ya adusuafo dame oya chapter 1 nemo supremacy na ye do kaka ho ya waka hinitirim anada wo fibro to bere no awda yetum na biba sa awda yayum henara asase ni ya kwa hehi maba ni na atum na gabas ni na ya kasakasa na zama penye atum so ibisa na madam nsam ya yekan wa ya ne pe ya waka ya so hinitirim
suban de bia meka commitment and being responsible. So our word responsibility, I mean, who said to cry recently? I come on because social you're committed as a people. So you to find you command for obini manso na the send fata and you quite bedding to say so and you bedding brasso and you throw subject to me in tumpon. You might be to me tumpona and you mean to me in tumpon. You might be to me tumpona and you mean na se ma ho kwan na offense o manning hyehyɛ no enka wutrim na wato omwa ne nyina yemfa nya adwuma ameme kasa na mabegina maka ni na no ebe ye kwa na so enye sa na ese den ɔte aye yaw bola keke esi obini potem obini fitire won bra no won fa bola ni begu ade mu wo fengum enuanu no nya amane ade ntine se bandem. It means we are not committed. Once upon a time, your president be a wuko. Okay, you say at time swaka here, you're the fourth. You can't the bonnia, you're the first. You can't read somebody that say just you're disheartening. No, you're young. Into your strong man phone. Obia, you're not from the Niamboa. Also, have Miss Masoha. You see, prayer away, we can't my head. Ojina, Omuda. I didn't say so. What's on to me yet? It's for what you bring, Miss from my jumbrana. As Smith, now, oh, your main sicano or your uncle, no, unity. My young son, na runner than any Nindi, or being your bibio. But oh, Wakataso, because of a busy mansion amount, when Yaji. That kind who said that today, and Mayor Mobe, almost started sitting near Mabiasi, on the Banomako, Omako Mechi, almost to share your memoir, almost say, oh, uncle, you'll be implicated. It's yesterday, Obian and Affirmative.
Obian and Affirmative, never Costa TV, answering Affirmative. Affirmative to be no to suffer from our budget and same to the child. Then, I do so. I am who I the Penda February shall see me find the latest about January. By February, my phone be and the president will be reading in Western region. NCCE director, they are big. I tell you what is going on with this car. But baby, I don't know what I become a big exam. This is first in the what to abandon you be the Mioba. But since the way and ended that Mohun different region. And then a person will be making different region or Western region. You be Abba.
Sister, as you are burning, Mommy, and you are burning the dado. Let's come back, but I be the Costa TV. You could away. Come back, so they have been a Costa TV in the woman when they can say the man at the radio stations I say. And once one boy, and be Castle FM, be property or Brad Park, in our ATL FM. When you now walk one.